Croatia is at the moment the smallest country in the EU which has not yet adopted the euro, and it's also the country which has highest de facto euroization, because it's a legacy of the past of former Yugoslavia. Around 70% of the term savings in Croatia are in euros. So we're very small, open, euroized. For us it's a very easy decision to join the eurozone. And I think that given how the things have evolved after the crisis, now it's a good timing to move.
Yeah, many people are still concerned about the setup of the eurozone being not stable enough. That doesn't seem to be a concern to you?
No, I think that the eurozone has, after the crisis, become more stable. There have been significant changes from the introduction of the macroprudential framework to the establishment of the European Stability Mechanism, which is an important backstop for the eurozone, to the basically overhaul of the Stability and Growth Pact, which all makes the eurozone more stable. Of course, it's still incomplete monetary union, as we say, and there is much more to be done in the future. However, today, getting into the eurozone is, I think, getting into something which is more stable than it used to be before.
Let's look at the potential risks stemming from Italy. I mean, you're joining then, or you're planning on joining a currency bloc where we have individual members who clearly have quite a lot of problems still. Are you concerned that there is a contagion effect from Italy still?
I could see the contagion effect from Italy if something goes wrong one way or the other, whether we join the eurozone or not, because Italy is also across the Adriatic Sea from us, and it's an important economic trading partner. So one way or the other, we look at what is going on in Italy, but I don't think that joining the eurozone at the time that we join in the eurozone, that would be something that would amplify the risks for Croatia. After all, if you look at the people sometimes ask me, you get in, what if the things don't work and things dissolve? And I usually respond to them, what have we been doing before? We were pegging to the Deutschmark. Now we're pegging to the euro, so whatever happens, in the end we will be pegging to a stable core of the eurozone or of the Europe. So in that sense, I think that also there is enough time now before Croatia joins for things to become clearer also in that sense.
What we heard from Draghi in Sintra is that the central bank most likely will start to ease their monetary policy stance or add stimulus measures. What does it mean for Croatia, also for your exchange rate?
I would say that our exchange rate will not be greatly affected by that. We keep the exchange rate stable vis-a-vis the euro. It's not fixed, but it's very stable within year fluctuations of maybe 3%, and it will stay that way whichever way the ECB policies will develop. And let's wait and see how it will evolve. I don't think it will have a great impact at this moment in time on Croatia.
Are you at all affected by the trade tensions as a small and open economy?
Yes, I think that people often underestimate the importance of these things. If you look at the bilateral trade data, it seems like we don't trade much with the US or with China. But if you look at the global value chains, you see that our companies are actually feeding into these global value chains. And as soon as you have some frictions and slow down, it is reflected even in small countries like Croatia. So that's certainly we see as one of the biggest risks going forward.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.